All right, check it out. Look what I figured out. Look at this. Okay, so let me show you guys. So if you have one of these fancier, I guess, Chinese excavators with a modern technology touchscreen, I'm going to show you the trick here. So I pulled the safety pin or the locking pin out, and it was under pressure. Like I couldn't get it out actually. I kind of tapped it with a hammer and it would not come out. And that was this pin right here. You see this? So that was in there and it was under pressure. I couldn't get it out. I fired up the machine and the pressure came off the pin. Okay? So let's go on up here and have a look at what's going on. Okay, so after the pressure came off the pin, after starting it up, there's a green button on this guy here. You can push that button and you'll hear a click. Now, nothing was really happening, so I was keeping an eye on the hydraulic piece over there, which goes in and out to do the locking on the pin coupler, the pin grabber, and you know, it actually moved. So I'm going to show you guys that right now. So we're going to start. It's going to be a little bit noisy, but bear with me. All right. So you see this button right here? Okay, you'll see it actually pulled in the stroke, okay? So that means that this pin grabber piece got pulled back. Now, watch this. And that is how you do it. I'm pretty happy about that.